We'll guide you through how to enhance Claude's security. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Claude AI website. Once you're on the home page, make sure you're logged into your account. Head to the lower left corner and click on your profile icon. Then select Account Settings from the drop-down menu. In the Settings menu, look for the Security tab and click on it. Here, you'll find several options to enhance your security. Start by enabling two-factor authentication, which is a crucial step in protecting your account. Click on the Enable Two-Factor Authentication button and follow the prompts to link your phone number or email. This ensures that even if someone gets your password, they can't access your account without the second form of verification. Next, make sure your password is strong and unique. If you haven't updated your password in a while, click on Change Password and create a new one. Use a combination of letters, numbers, and symbols to make it robust. Consider using a password manager to keep track of it. Another important step is reviewing your connected apps and sessions. Scroll down to Connected Devices and Apps and check for any unfamiliar devices or applications that have access to your account. If you spot anything suspicious, click Remove Access to disconnect them. Finally, regularly check the Account Activity section for any unusual logins. If you see any activity that you didn't initiate, immediately change your password and contact support for further assistance. By following these steps, you'll significantly improve the security of your Claude account. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.